Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to do the photo editing with Nano Banana. And here we will try it with Gemini AI or through the Gemini AI. So without any further ado, and let's get into the video. So we know that currently that this Nano Banana getting very famous because it will also offer us the capacity or the facility to do the photo editing way much easier than in the Photoshop. Well, if you are the master, then you can use the Photoshop, but if you like to have the more alternative, you can use this Nano Banana. And to access this Nano Banana, I will try to use it from the Google Gemini AI over here. And you don't have to upgrade it into the Pro because 2.5 Flash is enough already, guys. And after that, you can do the login first with your email. And after that, you will find this opening or the homepage look. And for this tool, you can click it and go to this create image, and as you can see there will be the symbol of banana, or it means that this Gemini AI is already embedded into the Nano Banana. You can simply click this, and after that you can start to upload the image that you would like to do the photo editing. For example, I will choose this one and I will try to make the prompt or the request. Please change the horse to be a cat, for example, and I will enter it. And kindly wait for this Nano Banana in Gemini AI to proceed this request, and the picture will be shown down here. As you can see, this will be the generating image process, and there you go. This is the picture after we put our prompt without open it into the certain application or the software, and this picture already edited. And for example, you can also edit or refine this prompt. For example, to be for example, a donkey, and for example, you can add the another prompt. The donkey is smiling, for example, and you can click update and kindly wait for this Nano Banana to edit your picture basically from this prompt, and this will be the generating image, and you don't have to wait for really long time to edit the picture, maybe 15 minutes until 30 minutes based on the complexity of your prompt, and it usually also the traffic of the usage of this Nano Banana itself. As you can see that this picture look more really detailed and also really clear, but still there is the logo or watermark of this Nano Banana. I'm sorry, this Gemini AI. And I will try to download it. It looks really natural, guys. So that's all. Don't forget to try this Nano Banana in Gemini AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.